Hi. My name is Ashwani Yadav and this is my channel FinCurve. I made this channel for all salaried persons, mainly are superheroes, military and paramilitary personnel. They stay away from their home and hardly get any time to update themselves according to world. They work, they get salary. But they don't know how to utilize that salary. They easily fall for fancy schemes told by strangers and lose a huge amount of their hard-earned money, but no more. I will help you guys not only to avoid those scams but also make you capable of taking the maximum benefit of your hard-earned money. In the coming days I will be uploading the videos on ways to create wealth and avoid the common mistakes done by all of us while trying to save or invest money. I will be covering the ways to generate a second or passive income source and also will talk about how can we take the maximum benefits of the arrears we get. I will telling about which loans to take and which loans to avoid. I assure you that if you will do as I say, you will never get in trouble creating wealth. So like, comment, share this video and subscribe to my channel to get notified for my coming videos. Thanks. See you.